Hi friends, here's our book called Fox in Socks by Dr. Seuss. It's his birthday that we're celebrating. It says, take it slowly. This book is dangerous. I wonder what that means. Fox in Socks. Let's find out together. Fox, socks. Fox, knocks. Knocks in box, fox in socks. Knocks on fox in socks in box. Socks on knocks and knocks in box, fox in socks, box on knocks. Lots of rhyming words. I think that's what they were talking about. Sometimes your tongue can go twisty-turny. Chicks with bricks come. Chicks with blocks come. Chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. Look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. First, I'll make a quick trick brick stack. Then I'll make a quick trick block stack. You can make a quick trick chick stack. You can make a quick trick clock stack. Trick clock stack. Whew. I see what they mean by dangerous. It's a lot of rhyming words. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks on bricks and blocks. Bricks and blocks on knocks on box. Whew. That was a lot. Ready? Now we come to tricks and talks, sir. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, sir. Clocks on fox ticks, clocks on knocks talks. 6 sick bricks tick, 6 sick chicks talk. Whew, that's a lot too, but I did it. Let's try this one. Please, sir, I don't like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quite quick as slick, sir. I get all those ticks and clocks, sir. Mix up with the chicks and talks, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I'm sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, 2 socks, whose socks, Sue socks. Who sews whose socks? Sue sews Sue socks. Who sees who sew whose new socks, sir? You see Sue sews Sue's new socks, sir. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews crow's clothes? Sue sews crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. Whew. I might have to take a deep breath for the next one. Here we go. Sue sews socks from socks in socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks in box now. So that is happening. Sue sews rows on Slow Joe Crow's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe Crow's nose. Whew! Hose goes, rose grows. Nose hose goes some. Crow's nose grows some. Mr. Fox, I don't like this game, sir. This game makes my tongue go quite silly, sir. Mr. Knox, sir, what a shame, sir. We'll find something new to do. Here's a lot of new blue goo now. New goo, blue goo, gooey gooey blue goo, new goo, gluey gluey. It looks kind of gooey. Gooey goo for chewy chewing. That's what that goo goose is doing. Do you choose to chew goo too, sir? If, sir, you, sir, choose to chew, sir, with the goo goose chew, sir. Do, sir? Mr. Fox, sir, I won't do it. I can't say it. I won't chew it. Ooh, I don't know if I want to chew it either. Very well, sir. Step this way. We'll find another game to play. Bim comes, Ben comes. Bim brings Ben broom. Ben brings broom. Bim broom. Ooh, that's a tough one. Ben bends Brim's broom. Bim bends Ben's broom. Bim's bends Ben's bends. Ben's bent broom breaks. Bim's bent broom breaks. They both broke. Oh no. Ben's band, Bim's band. Big bands, pig bands. Bim and Ben lead bands with brooms. Ben's bands bangs and Bim's band booms. Pig band, boom band, big band, broom band. My poor mouth can't say that. No, sir, my poor mouth is much too slow, sir. Well then, bring your mouth this way. I'll find it something that it can say. Luke Luck likes lakes. Luke's duck likes lakes. Luke Luck licks lakes. Luke's duck licks lakes. They lick a lake? Duck takes licks in lakes. Luke's Luck lakes. Luke Luck takes licks in lakes. Ducks licks. Ooh, that's a hard one too. A very silly one. Shall we keep going? What do you think, friends? I don't know. Such blibber blubber. My tongue isn't made of rubber. Mr. Knox, now come now. Come now. You don't have to be so silly now. I'll try to say this, Mr. Knox, please. Through 3 cheese trees, 3 free fleas flee. While those fleas flee, Freezy Breeze blew. Freezy Breeze made those trees, 3 tree freeze. Freeze trees made these trees cheese freeze. That's what makes these 3 freeze fleas sneeze. Achoo. Stop it. That's enough, sir. I can't say such silly stuff, sir. Well, very well then, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's have a little talk about Tweedle Beetles. Here come the Tweedle Beetles. What do you know about Tweedle Beetles? Well, when Tweedle Beetles fight, they call it a Tweedle Beetle battle. And when the battle's in a puddle, it's a Tweedle Beetle Buddle battle. And when Tweedle Beetles battle and with paddles in a puddle, they call it a Tweedle Beetle Puddle battle. And when beetles battle beetles in a puddle paddle battle, and the beetle battle buddle in the puddle in a bottle, they call this a Tweedle Beetle Bottle Buddle Paddle Battle Buddle. And when beetles fight these battles in a bottle with their paddles, and the bottle's on the poodle, and the poodle's ending noodle, they call this a muddle, puddle, tweedle, poodle, beetle, noodle, bottle, battle. And now wait a minute, Mr. Sox Fox. When a fox is in a bottle where the Tweedle Beetles battle and their paddles in a puddle on a noodle-eating poodle, this is what they call a Tweedle Beetle Noodle Poodle Bottle Paddle Muddle Doodle Fuddle Wuddle Fox and Socks, sir. Fox and Socks, our game is done, sir. Thank you for a lot of fun, sir. The end. Now, is your tongue numb? Can it move? Whew. I don't know. Bye, friends.